In March 2020, AFM NG Grade 1 was launched and our grading process was improved to obtain a more precise and more consistent particle size and shape. The particle size of our filtering layer AFM NG Grade 1 was reduced to 0.4 to 0.8 millimeters, and our support layer AFM Grade 2 was adjusted to 0.7 to 2.0 millimeters, maximizing both filtration and backwash performance. However, further to these changes, our layering configuration consisting of using 70% AFM NG Grade 1 as a filtering layer and 30% AFM Grade 2 as a support layer was not updated. In October 2020, Dryden Aqua will be launching a new AFM NG Grade 2, which will be used in a new layering configuration. This new layering will consist of using 50% AFM NG Grade 1 and 50% AFM NG Grade 2. To make this decision, we have been running continuous tests, focusing on 3 key points for swimming pools: filtration efficiency, backwash performance, and pressure drop. Filtration efficiency. Tests results have shown the new 50-50 layering offers the same outstanding performance as the 70-30 layering, filtering particles down to 1 micron with an efficiency of 93.8%. Tests also confirmed our new hydrophobic AFM NG Grade 2 performs, on its own, better than quartz sand to remove sub-10 micron particles at a filtration velocity of 20 meters per hour. AFM NG Grade 2 filters 90% of all particles down to 5 microns. Thanks to the new activation process, AFM NG Grade 2 becomes not only a good support layer, but also an efficient filtering layer. Backwash performance and filter bed expansion. The 70-30 layering offered a high bed expansion, which was good to a certain point. Indeed, at a backwash velocity above 40 meters per hour, the bed expansion could be too high, with the risk of losing some media during the backwash process. The new 50-50 layering, on the other hand, offers an ideal bed expansion. At a backwash velocity of 40 meters per hour, we have a perfect bed expansion of 25%, while strongly minimizing the risk of losing media during the process. Filter commissioning and backwash recommendations remain the same. Proceed to the first backwash 24 hours after installing AFM. After that, backwash filter once a week at a velocity of 40 to 50 meters per hour. A backwash duration of 3 to 5 minutes will be enough to remove all particles out. Pressure drop. Another point in favor of the new 50-50 layering is that it offers a lower delta P than the 70-30 layering. Having less pressure drop during filtration is interesting, especially in public swimming pools, where the difference in energy consumption can become significant. At the recommended filtration velocity of 20 to 30 meters per hour, the pressure drop will be 20 to 30% lower. AFM Grade 3 will continue to be used for larger diameter filters to ensure adequate water flow. In that case, layering recommendations will be the following: 50% Grade 1 NG, 25% Grade 2 NG, and 25% Grade 3 to cover filters laterals. With outstanding filtration performance, ideal bed expansion, and lower pressure drop, AFM is once again making a step closer to perfection. Thank you for watching our AFM update video.